Here's a little later model muscle car, unique specialty in classics. And when I say muscle, I'm talking to the tune of approximately 1,000 horse, 895 pound-feet of torque. It's a 2012 Dodge Challenger Yellow Jacket SRT8 Arlington Performance twin turbo car. Actual miles at approximately 14,500 on the odometer right now. Underneath the hood, 6.4 liter or 392 cubic inches of twin turbo and Hemi power. Some forged internals, 426 cam. That's paired up with a 6-speed manual transmission. Let's take a look at the condition of this car first, and I'll get into more details. Front fascia, that chin spoiler, of course the blacked out grille, SRT, Yellow Jacket emblems on them, big flat black hood scoop, hood pins. You can also see very tastefully done ghost flames in that stinger yellow paint. Does have the dark slate gray interior. Check out the still pictures. You're gonna be able to see the underside, the interior, the engine bay, the trunk. UniqueClassicCars.com. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's gonna take you right there. And of course you can call us, 507-386-1726. Big Brembo brakes up front with the slotted rotors, riding on Michelin radials. Beautiful flat black wheels. I can also tell you the stripe going down the side of this car, that is painted, it's cleared over, and again, it is tastefully done. And as you can see, up and down the passenger side, it's not full of any major nicks, dings, scratches. Take note of the side glass, and that is tinted, so know your local and state laws as far as your percentage of window tint that you can have. This is a sunroof option car, rear louvers. Speaking of options on this car, if you want to see how it was equipped from the factory, in the still pictures, you're going to be able to see the window sticker. There'll also be a sheet with the highlights of what was done at Arlington Performance and some of the modifications of this car. I'll try to hit on them as we walk around in case I miss one here or there. Check out that kind of option list after the fact of this car being built. As far as the graphics on this, that is painted, that is not a vinyl, that is nicely done with an airbrush. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email. All right, back to the 392 twin turbo Hemi. Again, Arlington Performance modified. It does have dual 58mm precision ball bearing turbos. It also has a Kooks full exhaust system, 85mm throttle body, 6.1 intake manifold. And once again, those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. If you like these modern muscle cars, maybe you're a big Mopar fan, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you may see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. This car right here is a prime example. It's not like you're going to see one of these every day at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, your local shows. We are going to fire it up, let you hear it run, take a peek at the interior. We'll look underneath the hood at that engine bay, and Jason will take it for a drive too, show you how this one goes down the road. When we get the door open, you're going to notice it does have a 6-point roll cage in it. Up on the A-pillar, it does have some gauges, fuel pressure, boost, and the air-fuel ratio gauge. It also has a Kenwood aftermarket stereo. And once again, check out the still pictures because you're going to be able to see kind of the highlight sheet and the window sticker on this car. All right, it also has Lambo doors on both sides. With the camera in my hand, I'm not going to be able to lift that up and show you, but it does have Lambo doors. And then again, all your modern amenities, heated seats, power seats, as you can see over here on the driver's side. It also has seats that are in very good condition, from the bolster, seating surfaces. We do have some custom embroidery on the headrests. A lot of tasteful touches done to modify this car. There's the exact miles. You can see that 14,500. And that's not blinking. That's how the camera picks it up because of the phase. Let's go ahead and fire this up. There you go, 14,500. I'll roll down the window so we can hear a little bit of this. So here's 8 pillar gauges, and again, those are not flashing. It's due to the phase of the video, the camera. As you can see, they stop. That's how they look all the time. They're not flashing. Dash looks good. We also have oil pressure and oil temp up here, as well as a boost electronics controller. There's a couple controllers that'll come with it that are in the still pictures also. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. This thing is a beast. There's no doubt about that. I would respect this car if I was driving it. Make sure you have it pointed the right direction that you want to go. Alright, I'm going to pause this a second. Let's take a look at this engine bay, which is also custom, very tastefully done. Give me a second, let's get this hood open. Alright, that pretty much sums it up. So some custom airbrush paint also done here. Again, 392 Hemi, forged components, just shy of 1,000 horsepower. Performance Twin Turbo Edition, Yellow Jacket, car number 1. Looks good underneath there, doesn't it? Looks good, sounds good. And you're not going to see one of these every day at your local roll-ins, cruise-ins, local shows. Beautiful 2012 Dodge Challenger Yellow Jacket SRT8 twin turboed car by Arrington Performance. 14,500 miles is all. Call us 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation. And check out those still pictures. You're going to see the window sticker to see how this is equipped from the factory. And you'll also see the highlight sheets on the modifications. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we're driving a 2012 Dodge Challenger that has been slightly modified with twin turbos. This is a 6-speed manual transmission with a pistol grip. Ode to the old pistol grip Mopars. Amazing car. Let's go see how she does. I literally just giggled. You gotta kind of take it easy at the top of the gear when your RPMs get up. That's when she really wants to go. If you're just streeting, it's easy. Just, you know, take it easy on the throttle. It's easy to drive. It's refined, yet all that power is there when you need it. Our gauges are all working. The temperature showing about 195. Fuel gauge showing a little over half a tank. Speedometer working as it should. On the left we have fuel pressure showing 55. Boost is at 22 and air fuel is at 14. We have a touchscreen radio by Kenwood that does work. Brakes are nice. Very responsive and as firm as they should be. Let's go to first. There are a lot of cars with this much power that are not fun to drive because they're not as refined. This one very much feels stock until you get on it. And right there, when you hear that whoosh, the tires like to whoosh, and that's what you want, to have some fun. An amazing Challenger SRT8, slightly modified, you might say. Take a look at all the pictures and learn all the details of what's changed about this car at uniqueclassiccars.com.